Good day, guys. Welcome to our new weekly forecast. I'm recording this on February 21st. Keep in mind that today is it's a holiday. Therefore, the market has moved a little bit slow today. That's why I only got this 9 instruments. All right. So let's start with Kiwi Cat. Basically, what's going on with Kiwi Cat is that it's creating this uptrend in the 4 hour. See how the highs have been taken out, and we also have this bullish momentum trend line. The current price is very far from the bullish trend line. Therefore, we have momentum at the moment in the 4 hour time frame. So here's the thing. Right now, the market is getting close to this daily supply area. All right, it's getting close to this daily supply area. Why do I think this daily supply area will not hold? Because we have inefficiencies, we have imbalances up there that might get fulfilled by the price. So I believe this daily supply level will not hold. So I will not be looking for short opportunities at the moment. We also have some supply levels below here, which didn't work either. So what I'm doing is once price removes or once if price removes this daily supply level, I will be looking for buy positions. Where will be my buy position? Here, right here. Why? This is a 2 hour level. All right, this is a 2 hour order block. So this is the order block responsible of taking out this daily supply level. That's why I got this line, and I'm gonna place an alert right there. Something like that. That's enough for me. So once this daily supply level is removed by a few pips, I will be monitoring any retracement. All right, any retracement for buy positions. All right, so that's the analysis on NCD Cat. I will be looking for buys because we have momentum in the 4 hour time frame, in the 1 hour time frame, and if this daily supply don't work, that will be a much better signal, a much better buy signal. The next one is Euro Aussie. What's going on with Euro Aussie? Pretty much the same stuff. All right. If we see a structure, see we have here some sell side liquidity. If we see a structure, we see that the daily levels, the daily lows, simply didn't hold, didn't work. See, they were removed. Now they are removing this one, this daily level here, this daily low. Oops. Simply is not working. All right. If we check supply and demand order flow, see that this is a huge demand level on the daily time frame, but huge departure, very nice imbalance, but simply didn't hold. All right, so basically we have more sellers than buyers at the moment. When I go to the 4 hour time frame, okay, here is where things get interesting. Okay, there it is. When I go to the 4 hour time frame, we could mark this whole area as a 4 hour order block, but it's very big. I mean, I'm not gonna send, or I'm not placing a sell signal, I'm not placing a sell order, I'm sorry, and using 73 pips of stop loss. I don't do that. I don't trade like that. But when I go to the 2 hour time frame, we have this supply level here. We have this supply level, and we have another supply level here in the 1 hour time frame. So this is the one that I will be monitoring because it has a strong departure, very strong departure to the downside. Is the level responsible of breaking the low, and probably the market will try to reach this area or close to this area. So I'm looking for short positions at the moment. probably using this order block, and if this one doesn't work, I'll look for another short position up there, right at the extreme of the level. Next one is dollar franc. Again, I'm a trend trader, guys, so I don't look for reversals. You won't get that from me. I like trade with the trend. We have this level getting removed. Huge momentum candle. See that this high, I mean, the market was not able to push the price higher in order to create a new higher high. In fact, it did the other way around. We have a new higher low. So when we see the daily structure, we are currently in a downtrend. Price consolidated quite some time here, and then boom, started to reverse. Daily levels didn't work. We have another daily level here. I'm sorry, 4-hour demand level that didn't work either, because we are in a downtrend at the moment. So when I check the daily time frame, or I don't remember if it was the daily or the 8-hour or the 6. Oh, there it is, the 6-hour. Okay, the 6-hour time frame is telling me that here we have a supply level. All right. So what I'm doing is I'm monitoring any retracement to this area. All right, any retracement to here. Any retracement to this area, any break of a structure in lower time frames is good for me to take a sell. All right. Where are we going on the daily time frame? Well, probably the market will try to destroy this whole support area. We have a support level here, right there. So here's where market is going. See that we still have some imbalances here. So in the long term, probably the dollar will continue going down. Now let's check dollar yen. Dollar yen looks pretty clean at the moment. The daily time frame looks bearish, as this daily demand level simply did not work. Just gave a couple of pips, but then it returned, removing the whole level, and market was not able to push the price higher. We had some equal highs here, but they were not taken out, and by reading the order flow, we have bearish order flow at the moment on the daily time frame. Now when we check the 4-hour time frame, pretty much is the same stuff. We have these lows being taken out, and this daily level. All right, we have a daily level here, but we also have a nested level. Okay, we have this 1-hour order block there. Market is just retracing, but it's creating, it's living liquidity. All right, we have this trend line, so we have enough liquidity up here above the trend line. So I'm waiting for a retracement to this area so we can short. All right, if market retraces, then I'll be looking for short positions right here. Now gold pretty clean as well. Daily time frame is completely bullish. We have a CP level, demand level, which breaks the high, and the market will try to break this other high here. Okay, when we see the daily time frame, that's the trend. When we see the 4-hour time frame, looks pretty much the same thing. All right, we have a we call this valley. If you trade supply and demand, you might know this as a valley pattern. So we have a valley pattern here, and these are the strongest areas for you to place positions. If you have a valley, you can look for buy positions right at the area, and they are higher probability trades. So I'm looking for a buy position in the 1-hour time frame. We have this candle, this nested demand level in the area. The market has created some inefficiencies here, some imbalances, so I'll be waiting for the price to fill those inefficiencies, and then look for buy positions right here. CAD yen. CAD yen looks pretty similar as dollar yen. Pretty much the same stuff. All right, pretty much the same stuff. On the daily time frame, you see the market consolidated and then it reversed, then market retraced and it reversed again. Okay, when we see the 4-hour time frame, we have higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Now we have this 4-hour order block. Okay, we have this 4-hour order block, but we also have this 1-hour order block, this one right here. So both levels are good for us to take short positions. You can look for confirmations if you want, and keep in mind that when we take valleys for buy positions, or when we take peaks for sell positions, this is a peak, all right, peak pattern. When we take those areas for short or buy, we get higher probabilities. Now let's check Bitcoin. I'm looking to short Bitcoin again. The structure is already bearish. We have a higher high, then a higher low, then this low was taken out. Also, this demand level was taken out. The price is feeling this imbalance, but we still have some liquidity below this trend line. All right, and below this low, this is our sell side liquidity. Now in the 4-hour time frame, actually the daily time frame, let me show you the daily time frame. We have basically a demand level, supply level right here. Okay, I'm taking this candle because the wick is a little bit higher. So when I check the 4-hour time frame, I will mark this candle, which is the highest level of the supply level, and I will be looking for sell positions if price retraces to this area. All right, I'm looking to short from here to the 32k support. Then we have Euro NCD, same order flow, bearish order flow. We have this demand level taken out. The 4-hour level is completely bearish. Those lows were taken out. We have a support level right here, and we have this imbalance that will be filled, will probably be filled. All right, now when we see the 1-hour time frame, when we check the 1-hour time frame, right here we have some weird supply area. Doesn't look that clean, but when we check, I think the daily time frame or the 12-hour time frame, I don't remember which one. Oh, there it is. When we check the 8-hour time frame, here is the order block. So I just try to take the highest candle, which is this one right here. Okay, so we have to keep in mind some other aspects like the timing, which is very important. I mean, you won't place a trade during the rollover session. This is probably happening during the rollover, therefore will be invalidated. You don't want to place a trade if we have some employment reports coming out and stuff like that. I mean, we have to be very careful with the timing, and that's why we have to use the session. So let's say the market retraces a little bit, and then this will probably retrace during the London session. Well, that's higher probability, then I can take it. But if I place a sell limit, let's say right here, but this will be filled during the rollover session, for sure you will get a loss, and that's unnecessary losses that you can avoid. Then we have the last one, which is CAD franc. CAD franc, I'm looking for sell positions again. We have a 4-hour supply level here, and we have a 1-hour supply level there, and this other level up here. So any retracement, I will be looking for short positions, and also on the daily time frame, we are completely bearish. See how the market, it's almost, or it's about to remove this daily level. Why is removing it. Why this level is not responding? Because we are in a bearish mode already. So that's it for today, guys. Keep in mind that today's holiday, so try to risk less on your trades. And that's the reason why the market also has been moving a little bit slow. But yeah, if you want to follow up on our trades, if you want to follow up on our on our setups, you can join our Discord. I will drop the link in the description. And if you like this video, subscribe and like our YouTube channel. Keep in mind I will post weekly forecast every Monday. So I'll see you with another forecast next week. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice week. Bye-bye.